Hello, hello.
No.
Yeah, able to hear, right?
Yeah, yes,
Okay,
boss.
that's fine. Thank you. So, as part of previous class, we learn about how to create a Python program. So, what is the what is the function? What is the flow of execution? Like how it go for the compilation? Then how to run a Python program? From a command prompt, and from even from from IDLE as well, and what are the different modules, what are the different ways we can also do the practice and create a Python programs. So along with raw Python, we can also download PyCharm, Jupyter, Anaconda. There are multiple things are available, so we can we can make use of it to develop Python programs. So those things we have already covered and discussed. So last week we forgot to we failed to execute a Python program. So by using from command prompt. So since we don't, what I have done is I have investigated. So I came to know that so we need to there are two ways. If I use the py command, so we can also execute the Python programs either by using the py or by using the Python. So in Windows, the extension of a Python program is always .py. So the extension of Python program should be always .py. So why do we go with those kind of extension? If you go with Linux, so if it is a shell script, we make it as .sh. If it is a Java program, .jar. So if it is similarly, so in Python, the extension of in Python, the extension of a Python program is .py. So if you are if you have developed if you want to if you have created a Python program by using the Notepad plus plus, and we have saved it. So for example, if you want to run that program, so if you, for example, let's open window, or we can also use the Notepad, we can also use the Notepad, so we can also use this Notepad as well. So for example, a is equals to 10, so b is equals to 20, and print print the value of a, and the sum of a and b is the sum of a and b is, so we can directly use a plus b, so a plus b. So for example, even if you are trying to, this is a Python program, so if you want to save this Python program, we can also use save as. So whenever you are trying to save this program, you can able to save anywhere in your program, so anywhere in your program. So but you just mention as part of saving a Python, so just Python programs, so test dot py. So here just save this Python program, just close this one. So but we recommend always use to we always recommend to use in order to in order to create a Python programs. So people always recommends to use either Notepad plus plus or IDLE. So this is the Python program I have developed, and I have, while saving a file, I used I used test, or while using these are the I mean either way the extension of the Python is a .py, right? We can able to see that. So this is the Python symbol, so this is a Python symbol. So we can able to see, we can able to determine that it is a Python program if it is Windows. Whereas if it is in Unix, or if it is in Mac or somewhere, if you want to identify whether it's a Python program, how do we identify? We identify by using by using the extension .sh. But in Windows, you can able to clearly see that it's a type Python file. If it is Java file. If it is a sh shell script, it will show. So in GUI, what I mean to say is, in GUI there are many ways to identify the type, identify what type of file it is, what type of file it is. Whereas in whereas in Unix or other places, Unix is completely CLI, right? There it is difficult to identify. There it is difficult. So in this case, okay, you need to be say with a proper extension. What is the proper extension? .sh, okay, .sh, or .py, .jr, so .doc, so .xls, .csv. All these are the type. All these are the extension of a. All these are the type of okay files. Even in Windows, still if you're unable to identify, we can also click on okay properties. Even in properties also we can able to okay identify what type of it is. For example, okay, it is a file folder, where it's located, security, all those things okay we can able to see it on okay here. So now, for example, okay, you have developed okay this okay test program. So if you okay you have developed okay this okay test program. So if you want to okay run this program, so if you want to run this program, so just okay, what we can do is just okay drag and drop here, and okay come to okay here. If there are any issues, it will show us. So Python. So there is a syntactical error, because of that it's not working. There is a syntactical errors, because of it it's not working. And okay, even if you use okay py, so even py also we can able to. So even with help of okay py also, so okay we can able to okay execute. So even py also we can able to execute. Or okay py, just okay copy paste okay this guy. So how do we copy okay, just okay drag and drop, just drag and drop to here. So okay, just okay drag and drop to here, this program will be executed. And okay, we can also execute okay by using Python command as well. So Python, the same Python, and so okay Python, and okay by using this facility. So why are we okay, I mean okay here I'm not going to pass the exact okay, I'm not going to okay pass okay, I'm not going to okay pass the location of okay, the location of py, the location of python, the location of py and location of python. But how it is going to identify, so okay, okay how it is going to identify this one? So because I have saved this environment variables, so okay here just type okay environment variable. So in your windows just type environment variables, click on the edit the system environment variables. So here are the environment variables. So okay here I just okay added this path, edit. So I have added that okay python files and okay here, so that later I can able to execute this python program. So if you observe this one, even in unix also, as part of unix also we discuss to set this as a python okay to okay, I mean as part of linux also we have discussed about a path variable, right? We have discussed about okay path variable. Here also we need to define a path, we need to define as a okay path. So if you go on okay here, this is system variables path. So okay here click on okay edit. So you need to specify all your path variables on okay here. So in Linux, it is a colon delimited. So, but okay, here it is a line by line delimited. So if you are not going to, if you are not going to okay, specify the location of a program, then it will try to check on okay these locations. If that location, if this program is available on this location, this will execute. If it is not available, then okay, it will okay fail. So in even you may get I mean in case if you want to set environment variables in windows, then you have to come to this location and you can do that. Whereas in unix we have to okay make modification on path variable, we have to make modifications on path variable. So once you set a path variable, we can able to run python programs okay without. So okay here the python. So okay here I'm going to specify the exact path, because so in the okay it will, if you're not going to okay specify exact path, it will try to check whether this program is located it on current folder or not. If it is in a current folder, then it will execute. If not, it will okay it fails with exception. So you should always okay provide the path, we should always provide the okay path. So if you don't know okay what is your path and all, just okay select this guy, just select this one. Not only okay here, anywhere okay anywhere in windows. So if you want to get the exact path of this guy, we can get from here, okay either from that okay either from the window bar, or so okay here just okay drag and okay drop here, drag and drop here automatically. So it will okay show the exact okay location. So this is what okay we skipped on okay last class. So I have covered it. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So we can able to run python programs either from IDLE or from the command prompt that we okay discuss. And we also started okay learning about okay identifiers. The identifiers are nothing but, what is the meaning of identifiers? The name, okay, it is a name. Okay, identifier is nothing but identify a, okay, I mean in general, what is the meaning of, okay, identify, okay, what is the meaning of, okay, a specific so how do we, okay, call a, okay, how do we call the, how do we call other person? Okay, you call by using name. You call by using, okay, name. So even in, okay, window, even in python also, we do have a concept called identifiers. So the identifiers are nothing but a name of the, okay, variable. So a name of a variable, or, okay, name of a class, or name of a object. So a name of a, okay, object. So basically, so okay, in python we do have a, okay, different, okay, types of, okay, okay, we do have a different components, which are, okay, okay, which are, okay, variables. Along with, okay, variables, we're also, okay, having a, okay, functions. We're also, okay, having, okay, class. We're also, okay, having, okay, objects and constants. All these are the different, okay, okay, different category of, okay, identifiers. So since we are having, okay, different category of identifiers, the python, okay, for, okay, the python recommends. So in python pep, python enhancement, okay, okay, proposal recommends, okay, recommends to follow some standard guidelines while defining, okay, while, okay, defining variables, while defining functions, while defining classes, while defining modules, and, okay, everything, okay, and so on. So in Unix, sorry, okay, in Python, so, okay, simply a identifier is a name of, okay, identifier is a name of, okay, any person. So name of, okay, okay, it's a unique okay, it's a identifier. So as part of, okay, PEP, so, okay, as part of, okay, PEP, so as part of, okay, pep, so we need to, okay, follow, so we need to follow certain guidelines. We need to follow certain guidelines. So pep means python enhancement proposals, python enhancement proposals. So okay, here, so okay, in you, okay, yeah, okay, for example, okay, here, so all the variables, so for example, there are different types of, okay, identifiers, right? One is, so variable, okay, one is, okay, function. So then along with function, we're also having a class. So okay, along with, okay, class, we're also having, okay, objects. And okay, that is inside that, okay, class, it can be outside class. Then, okay, constants, okay, constant. So what python, okay, recommends is all variables, okay, should be in, okay, all variables, okay, the name of the variables, the name of the, okay, variable. Can you go on mute, please? So the name of the variable, okay, should be in, okay, lowercase, should be in a, okay, lowercase, should be in, okay, lowercase. So it's not, okay, it's not a mandatory, but the PEP is, recommending. PEP is, recommending. What is a PEP? PEP is defined as a Python enhancement, okay, proposal. Python enhancement proposal. What PEP basically contains? PEP is nothing but rules, proposals about, okay, how Python, okay, evolves, lower, upper, and all those things, okay, it will be, okay, contains. Now all constants should be in, okay, should be in uppercase, should be in, so uppercase. And okay, the class and functions, all of them should be follow, okay, should follow the camel case, should follow the, okay, should follow the camel case. So what is the meaning of, okay, 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 what is the meaning of, okay, camel case? So for example, okay, if you open a, okay, camel, so okay, camel image. So, for example, how the camel looks like. So, for example, so okay, in the beginning it will okay, it will, okay, start with, okay, high, then, okay, low, then a high, then low, then, okay, like that. Okay, we are going. It is having some standard, okay, way, right? For example, this is the top, then this is down, again top, down. Like, okay, we do have a curves kind of thing, right? So okay, here also the camel case. The camel case, okay, the, okay, how do we know that it's a camel case? The beginning of okay, the beginning of, okay, each let, okay, the beginning of a word should be in, okay, should be in capital letter. Should be in, so capital, okay, letter. Should be in, okay, capital letter. Okay, should be in, okay, capital letter. So which means that, so my, okay, name. So this is the word. My is a word, right? So in my, M is a capital letter. And okay, then we are having a name. So name is a first character. Okay, name is the beginning of a word, right? Beginning of first character of a word, right? It should be in a, okay, should be in a capital letter. Should be in a, so capital letter. So even Python also recommends. So even Python also, okay, recommends all the variables should be in a lowercase. And okay, even any of the identifier, okay, the identifier, so whenever you are going to create an identifier, the identifier should not start with numbers, should not start with any special characters, should, okay, it should only having a underscore to combine more than, okay, one, okay, word as a single word, more than one word as a single word. What do you mean that? So the identifiers, okay, all identifiers, okay, should start with, okay, should, okay, start with, should start with alpha digits, should start with a, okay, should start, okay, all identifiers, okay, should start with, okay, should start with, okay, characters. That should be either, okay, that should be either, okay, small case or uppercase. That is one thing. And so, okay, that is the one thing. And second one is, okay, if name of the identifier, if the name of, okay, identifier, if the name of, okay, identifier is more than, okay, one word, more than one word, should, okay, should concatenate, so using underscore, which means that, so for example, okay, my country, so you are going to define as a one variable called, so okay, my country, so this is a invalid. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to use my underscore, okay, country. So my underscore, so country. So my country and my underscore, okay, country is equals to. So while, okay, whenever you are trying to assign the name, whatever it is, the data, what, how we are going to assign, that we will discuss it on, okay, later. So now, okay, then, okay, apart from, okay, okay, then, so apart from underscore, you should not keep any of other special characters like, okay, dollar, hash, at the rate. Okay, these are all having a, some special meaning, but okay, should not be, okay, start with that. It should not be, okay, start with that. That is the, so major, okay, intent of this, okay, identifiers. The guidelines of, okay, identifiers, okay, we call it as. So under the identifiers, we're having a variables, functions, class, and, okay, constant, right? So okay, for example, all the variables should be in lowercase. So which means that, so if you're writing anything in a lowercase, that we can call it as a snake case. The snake should be always in, if you take a snake, the entire snake, okay, it will be in, okay, same, okay, same width and, same width, right? So okay, same width. That's why. And the class name should be in a capital letter, so camel case. And constant should be in a capital, capital letters. It should be, all of them are in capital letters, all of them are in, so capital letters. So these are the three. So for example, if you want to identify whether, okay, I mean, for example, as I said that, so okay, now as part of, okay, identifiers, we're having variables, functions, class, and all, right? So when it comes with, okay, variable, what is the meaning of variable? A variable is a placeholder to play, okay, okay, what a placeholder which plays a crucial role, okay, while executing a program. So while executing the Python program. And what are all the scenarios, okay, we go with, what are all the scenarios, okay, we go with variable. So this is the one scenario. Store the user input and intermediate calculations. So which means that if there is a program, so if there is a program, so you are going to, okay, for example, if you take, so any, for example, if you take online HDFC or online account, so Gmail and all, you are going to pass your username and, okay, password. For example, okay, let's consider online SBA. First you are, okay, I mean online HDFC, you are going to enter, okay, first your, customer ID, then that customer ID will carry to that program, and, okay, program will, okay, program, so that, okay, which means that to carry the input, to carry the customer ID that you are passing to a program, then we require the variable. So we require the, okay, variable, which means that to store the, okay, to store the inputs, or okay, to take the inputs, okay, which are passing by the user and giving to the program, then we have to use the variable. And if the program is generating some intermediate results, if those intermediate results, if you want to save in a program, then okay, we have to go with okay, a variable. Then, so for example, if you want to okay, save any flags for conditions, if you want to save some conditions, then even that time also will go with a variable. And even any configuration values, if you want to save, then we can also go with then we can go with variable. And the last one is, even if you want to return the value to the caller after executing a program, even for that also we require the variable. So variable places a key role. So variable places a key role key role in order to execute any program, not only Python, any of the programming language, variable places a key role. So while creating the variable, so as for the Python, the name of variable should be a snake case, which means that all of them are in lower case. The name of that I mean the second one is, the name of the variable should be equivalent to the, should be appropriate to the operation, should be appropriate to the operation, or should be appropriate to the value that you are going to assign. For example, so I'm going to define my name. So if the yeah, okay, if my name is a variable, for my name I am going to okay, assign I'm going to assign some pin code. So it is irrelevant, right? So okay, this is okay, irrelevant. For example, so I'm going to declare I'm going to declare pin code. Pin code is the variable. For pin code, I'm going to assign I'm going to assign a name. This is okay, I mean this is a valid variable. We're not going to say that okay, this is not a this is also variable. It's a valid variable. But so I mean the name of the variable, your people thinks that it's a pin code, but you are going to assign to the name. It is irrelevant. For example, you are going to use okay, date of birth. Okay, now we are going to add okay, India. So these are all. So okay, I mean date of birth. Okay, people thinks that so it will be having some date function, but you are going to okay, had you are going to assign. You have assigned some okay, you have assigned some okay, you have assigned some okay, text. So which means that okay, this is okay, relevant. This is the okay, relevant. So it's a valid only, but okay, it's a okay, relevant. So okay, any doubts on okay here? So any doubts? And the one more okay, okay, the one more thing is, in Python we don't have, so okay, we don't have a, so okay, we don't have a limit. We don't have a limit to the name of okay, variable. We don't have a limit to the name of the okay, variable. Name of the okay, variable. So this is the okay, one thing. But so okay, I mean for example, if you are going to keep if you are going to keep the okay, name of the variable very long, like hundreds or thousands of character, but it will be I mean when in a real time programs, the name of the variable is too much. So in order to, okay, while executing a program, unnecessarily it uses the resources like memory, or okay, even okay, storage the variable. So unnecessarily we are going to okay, waste the resources. Eventually it also degrade the performance of your program, degrade the performance of your okay, program, degrades the performance of your okay, program. So even the one more beauty is, even the value of even the name, every variable contains okay, name and value, right? Okay, value also. So we don't have a limit for the name of the variable, and okay, value okay, and okay, data, and okay, data to that okay, data to that okay, variable. But so always okay, keep a proper okay, names, and okay, valid okay, data, and valid okay, data, and valid okay, data. And one more thing is, Python okay, you need not to explicitly declare the type of okay, variable. Automatically it is a dynamic that we already, so that we are going to be discuss okay, now after some time we're going to be okay, discuss. And so we are going to be okay, discuss. So any doubts on okay here? So for example, what I mean to say is, So let's close this guy. So IDLE. So we are going to use this IDLE only, right? So IDLE. So I'm going to declare. So I'm going to declare. So name is equals to. So name is equals to. So name is equals to. So automatically, for example, name is equals to. For example, if I'm going to keep it as Ram. So you need to remember one thing, that so not only Python, everywhere the dates and characters should be always enclosed in single quotations, always enclosed in single quotations. Now for example, if you go with name is equals to, so Ram. So for example, if you go with this one, so if you want to know the a type of what is the type of this variable, what is the type of this variable, then we can use this type keyword. Type is a, so type is a function. Type is a function in Python. This will try to provide the what is the type of this variable. So this is a string. So this is a string. So this is a string data type. So data types are also categorized as a classes and subjects and classes and objects. So don't think about much. But here the name is equals to Rama and a type. For example, if you want to know the location of this variable, we can use the ID. So remember that type and ID. So type and ID. So I'm going to introduce two commands. So two functions in Python. So one is ID and name. One is type and ID. Type and ID. So if you execute this guy type, so what is the type of this guy? So this is a string. Now what is that ID? ID is the location. ID is a location of it is a memory location. So ID, so ID stores, ID ID stores memory location. ID stores memory location of a variable until you execute the program, until you execute the program, or until session until session stays. So until session stays, and it will never change, and it will never change. What do you mean this one? So now I'm going to use name is equals to, so name is equals to, I'm going to keep it as I'm going to keep it as name. Now so now for example, go and execute ID name. So ID. Okay, so the identifier, so this will change it, sorry, it's my bad. So which means that, so here, so for example, for example, here this is the, so first we assign to this name, right? So for this name, that is, this is the this is the memory location, this is the memory location of this variable. This is the memory location of this name Rama, and this is the memory location of this for this name. So for example, so if I go ahead and use this name is equals to, now for example 123, now type of now type name, automatically it will store it as integer. Now go ahead and execute this ID name. Now so which means that the name, so for the name initially we have assigned one value, then later one value, later one value. Now how do we now here the name, the name which means that it's dynamically we can able to allocate the data, and we can change the data and data type and everything else we can able to change it. But the memory location which is allocated to the value, value, it will that will be that will stays until that program until this session executes, or until for example now. So let's go ahead and now one more thing. So, now I'm going to close this guy. Now go ahead and execute again IDLE. So IDLE. Now IDLE. So here, so now again I'm going to use name is equals to, so name is equals to a, name is equals to a. Now So for example, okay, type. Now, okay, ID of okay name. Now it will be wipe out and okay, we'll get as a so 143640. We don't get it. So which means that the memory location of the okay the memory location of the so okay the memory location of okay the memory location of a variable, the memory location of okay variable, it will never okay change. For example, now so again I'm going to okay use okay name again I'm going to use okay name is equals to, I'm going to keep it as okay b now, and okay id of okay name, so id of okay name, sorry, okay id of okay name. So okay here it is changed. Again I'm going to okay allocate okay name is equals to okay a. Now okay id of okay names, id of okay name. So, so the value, for example, okay, if you see this one, this value and okay, this values are okay change, which means that, so here you need to be remember that whenever you are going to execute a program, so inside a Python program or ideally wherever you are going to do the practice, so dynamically we can able to change the data type of a variable. But once we allocate the data, that memory location of the data will never change. The memory location of the data will never okay change. The memory location of the data okay will never okay change. So any doubts on okay here? So yes or no? Now, so for example, we can also use this okay print command. So print, so id of, so print okay id of, so okay print okay id of okay this okay id and all okay by default we are going to so get it right. So that is okay clear. So now, so any doubts on okay here? Now, even while creating the variable, we can also allocate. So a is equals to, so b is equals to, okay, c is equals to, okay, 10 comma 20 comma 30. This also can, okay, this is kind of a multi assignment. This is a kind of a multi assignment. For example, okay, if you go with okay type of okay a, so it is a okay. I mean now it will become as a okay, tuple because multiple things we are going to okay, assign. Now, so okay print, so print of okay a, so print of okay a you will get as a 10 20 okay 30. So which means that so we are going to be okay assign this way also we can able to assign the okay data, so we can able to assign the okay data. So now, so for example if you go with okay this guy 10 20 30, so this will be a kind of a syntax okay error. So okay, I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So okay, once we create a variable, if you want to know that what type of variable it is, okay, type of okay type is a keyword. Then if you want to know the okay memory location of that okay value, we can use this okay id command. We can use this so okay id command. So name and id we can directly okay execute, and but directly we can able to okay execute. Now, so after after defining the name of the variable and all, so if you want to display, if you want to display the a value of okay variable, we have to use okay in Python. So if you go with okay Unix, we're having echo command to display the user defined text or to access the value of variable, or in Oracle we are having a printer function, or in or in PL SQL we are having a dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Similarly in Python we are having a print function. We are having a print function. So with help of print function, what we can do is the intent of the print function is to invoke that okay to display the value of variable, or if you want to display okay if you want to display some user defined text on a screen, then okay even, or okay if you want to if you want to club user defined text or system defined text together in a screen, Then during that scenarios, we go with a print function. Then we can go with a print function. So in Python, a print function is as similar as as similar as a echo command, or as similar as a printf function, or in other programming languages also we are having a same thing. So here also we are having this print function. The syntax of the print function is, so the syntax of that print function is, this is the print. So it is a built-in function. So as of now, how many functions we learn? We learn type, we learn id, and similarly we are going to learn it as a print function. Similarly we are going to learn it as a print function. Print function. And we also learn about the dir also. So as of now we learn four. As of now we learn four. One is one is type, and we also learn about id. We also learn about dir. So we also learn about print. So these are the four predefined functions. We are going, we have learned. So as of now we have learned. So as of now, and we'll also learn about import keywords. We also learn about the import keyword. So what is the meaning of import keyword? In order to import a library, a module, a module into the current location, then we can go with this. So then we can go with this import function, right? So these are the things what we have learned as of now. Now we are going to discuss about this. Now we are going to discuss about this print function. We are going to discuss about this print function. And before, I mean, so even there are two more there are two more functions which are which are we need to be there are two more methods, predefined kind of cases, to learn about is keyword and is identifier. So is keyword and is identifier. So is keyword, so is identifier. So this we will discuss after learning about after completion of, after completion of print function. So that, so it will be so that it will be, so that it will be it will be understandable, much clear, understandable. We'll get more idea. So now, print function. What is the meaning of print function? So a print function is nothing but, a print is a predefined function. A print is a built-in function of Python. The main intent of this print function is, so it is used to output or print the data to the standard output on screen. So in computer terminology, there are standard input. Standard input means keyboard. Standard output, where it will display. Standard output is on a screen. Standard error is also on a screen. Standard errors will display on a screen. So similarly, here, so the syntax of print function is print star objects separator end file file and flush. So here, 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 as part of print function, the remaining all these are not mandatory, they are all optional. So here, but you need to be understand, so how it's going to be, how it's going to be helpful, how it's going to be, helpful, how it's going to be helpful. So as I said that, so star objects means the input, whatever the input you are going to provide. That could be either star objects means either user defined input, user defined input, or program output, whatever you want to display, or or access the value of variable, or access the value of variable. All those things we can able to, all those things we can able to specify it and here. Now, separator means while displaying the data, if you are having more than one word, so whether do you want to keep it on either by default is a new line character. So if you are having a multiple lines, so if you want to display that all those lines together, by default is the backward slash n is the new line separator, right? So here also I mean that is for the file. So here this separator means this separator so indicates, indicates what is the Okay, default. Okay, what is the okay default? Okay, what is the so default okay segregation between the two words. So between the two lines. So not only here, if you go anywhere in the programming language in computer between the two words. So between the okay two words, space is a delimiter, or between the two lines. Okay, between the two lines, backward slash n is a new line separator. New line separators rather than that okay, if you want to display so rather than space if you want to go with okay different okay separator we can able to specify here. So these two are the okay defaults, you not to specify anything. And okay file, so for example okay instead of displaying the output on a screen, if you want to display the output on okay, output to a file, you want to copy the output to a file, that also we can able to okay do that. So what is the file you want to go to be specified? By default is the screen. So this is also okay default, this is a default, this is a default, and this is a okay default. Flush is equal to false is a default. Then why do we require okay flush? So okay flush is equals to, so if it is okay true, it forces intermediate output not buffering. So usually in a okay useful in real time okay logging, which means that by default okay flush is equals to okay false. So if you are going to specify flush is equals to true, what will happen is, so by default the output of this front okay I mean it will generate some internal cache. So for example whenever you okay read something, so the latest information okay the latest information latest information which learned by us, by default okay it will be on your mind, by default it will be on your okay mind. So if you don't want to save anything on your mind, you want to erase it after you read it, then you have to specify flush is equals to okay false. Flush is equals to okay false. Flush is nothing but to erase the cache or okay to keep the cache. By default it keeps the cache. If you want, we can also disable. So all these are the optional. By default, space is the delimiter. Backwards I mean backwards slash n is a neuron operator. So okay by default output will display on a screen, and by default okay flush will be maintained. By default flush will be okay maintained. By default flush will be okay maintained. These are the so print function. So let me okay show you some couple of examples so that okay we'll get okay some idea. So for example if you go with okay this one, so okay paste, so okay here hello world, so we are going to display hello world okay as it is, hello world, so okay as it is. So even though if you are not going to okay specify, so even though if you are not going to be specify, so okay even, so if you go to if you are going to keep it as a double single quotations, so single quotations also, either single quotations or double quotations, we can able to use it. The differences between the single quotation and double quotations are, if you are going to keep anything in single quotations, it will never invoke for any of okay other okay, okay we can't able to invoke the value of variables. And here also in Unix, here also the same thing. And okay if you want to okay invoke the value of variable and okay you want to okay print the output in a proper way, always go with the double quotations, always go with the so double quotations. So okay, for example as I said that, so even okay if you want to go with okay for example paste, I'm going to declare two variables, x is equals to 10, y is equals to, so print, I can also specify x plus okay y, we can also use the, so even the print command also it's going to see the okay arguments separator end file is equals to none, flush is equals to false. So print the values to a stream are okay by default. So where are you going to get this output? Syntax and multiple statements found while compiling a single statement. So if you want to display, so if you want to do that okay sum of okay these guys, so there is a okay different way we can able to do that. For example, if you go with okay this guy, it will display. So what is the problem okay here? Print. So x is equals to okay x, y is equals to y. Now, so let's go ahead and okay use this okay x is equals to okay 10. So x is equals to 10 and okay y is equals to okay 20. Now if you want to okay print, so okay if you want to okay print, so this guy just okay go ahead and okay use okay this guy. So print x is equal to x and okay y is equals to okay y. So once we get any okay I mean if you are going to get any syntactical errors, then okay it's a okay problem now. So okay print, so okay x plus okay y also we can do I guess, so 30. So okay, 30 we can able directly also we can able to do the calculations. Okay, print. So x minus okay y, x minus okay y. Also we can able to do that. And okay, similarly okay print. So okay x okay star. So okay y, x star okay y. We can also do that. And okay print. So if you are going to keep it as okay 2 stars, it will be a exponential kind of thing. Okay, we will get the okay, output. So it will mean that 200. Okay, I mean 20 into okay 10. Okay 10. The output will be like, so the value of okay 10 will multiply with 20 times. That's why we are going to get that output. And okay print, then is we can call it as exponential operator. So x by y. So x by okay y. So print. So okay, x percentage of okay y, x percentage of okay y. We can also go with this. So this is how we can able to okay. I mean, if you want to access the value of variable, we can do that. So if you want to okay, display the user defined text, okay, the user defined text along with okay variables, then okay the user defined text should be in a single quotations or okay double quotations. The value of okay x is the value of okay x is, so okay the value of okay x is, so the value of okay x is comma, we have to comma is a differentiator, comma is a differentiator. We get, if you are going to keep more than okay, one argument, and if you want to keep more than, if you are going to access multiple arguments one by one, we have to, for example, if I am not going to keep it as okay comma here, so you will get as a say error message, you will get it as a error message. So always should be a comma. So the value of x is okay 10. So for example, so if you are going to okay, I mean anything, so we can able to keep it as double quotations, or okay we can keep it as okay we can keep it as single quotations. We can keep it as single quotations. Either of the way we can able to display the output. So this is the user defined text, and this is the value of variable okay we are going to be okay invoke. The same examples on okay here. So okay, for example okay if you go with okay here, so print. So okay here okay print, so apple banana cherry. So if you are going to okay print this guy, so okay for example, so by default, so okay by default it will display as it is. So if you are going to keep this guy, you will get as a comma, because we are going to specify the separator as okay comma. That is the meaning of a comma. So since we are going to keep some extra space at the end, we are getting okay space, right? So okay, if you want, if you don't want the space and all, then leave that. So, apple, banana, cherry also it will be. That is the meaning of separator. That is the meaning of the okay separator. Meaning of a okay separator. And along with okay this print function, so along with okay this print function, we can also okay have a formatted print. Okay, we can also have a formatted print. So in order to get a format print, so what we can do is we can, there are two ways. One is okay print, so do all this okay, I mean okay all that okay standard syntax, standard okay syntax, then for dot format. This is the old style of okay this is the, so okay this is the okay old style, this is the old okay style, standard dot okay format. Now in latest python 3.11 and all, so we do have a latest functionality which is okay print, okay print okay f. Printf means okay if you are going to after print, if you are going to keep it as a f, it is a formatted okay print, it is a formatted print. So in a, okay in a formatted print, so if you want to okay access the value of variables, we have to keep it as a flower brackets, we have to keep it as okay flower brackets. Now let's see that okay some write some examples, then okay we'll get okay some idea. So I'm going to okay define, so I'm going to okay define, so okay here, so I'm going to okay define the okay two variables, I'm going to define it as a two variables. So okay here okay name is equals to okay Rama, and okay age is equals to 25, age is equals to okay 25. Now if you are going to okay define, so print, so let's observe okay this guy, let's observe okay this guy. So print f, after that, so okay print okay f, so okay double quotations, my name is double quotations, and okay I am this much of okay, I mean I'm okay this much okay here. I mean, it's a kind of okay plain English text. If you want to display the output, then okay we can go with okay this guy. So my name is Rama, and okay I am 25 years okay old. So I'm 25 years okay old. So we can also keep it on, okay, you can also keep it as okay, single quotations also. Let's see, we can able to see, okay, behave, observe the, so if you are going to keep it as okay, double single quotations, let's say that this will work or it will okay, fail. So this way also we are okay, able to. So that is the okay, intent of okay, print okay, f function. So in a printf function, so okay, we are going to invoke the value of variable, and okay, we are going to okay, display the, so okay, we are going to display the user defined text on okay, screen as well, user defined text on okay, screen as well. So similarly, if you want to okay, do, for example, this is the old, okay, this is the old style, this is the, so okay, old style. For example, if you go with the sum of okay, flower brackets, and the flower brackets is so dot format. So here this file will come to okay, here, and okay, this tail will come to okay, here, and okay, the output will come to okay, here. So if you don't want all those things, so the okay, this is the old style, and this is the okay, new style, this is the okay, new style. So okay, this is the okay, new style, okay, we can able to so okay, display. That is the intent of this okay, printer function. So for example, okay, if you want to go with okay, different okay, delimiter, so by default is backward slash n, right? So okay, for this okay, we'll get as a t means okay, tab delimited. So by default tab will be the so delimiter. So even that also we can able to so get it. So instead of okay, if you don't want to save the output on a screen, and okay, if you want to copy the output to a file, then that also we can able to do that. So we need to go with okay, this with the syntax. So this we will discuss on later section, because it will part of okay, it will be a part of I mean further level. But okay, even okay, in okay, Python we are having a keyword called okay, with open. So this we need to be remember, okay, this we need to be remember. So okay, in this case what will happen is, so in this case okay, what will happen is a, we are having a standard syntax of with the class. So okay, here what will happen is the output of this hello file will okay, go and okay, save it on output.txt. So if you want to okay, see that what is that okay, location of that, so okay, what is the location of okay, that guy. So okay, here we need to go to okay, okay, this C program files, okay, program files, let me okay, show you file okay, open, we are having this is the location, right? So this location, so okay, this location okay, it will okay, so that is the default location, right? So python okay, 313. So if you go with the date modified, see the output.txt. So whatever the output file we have created, it, I mean, instead of displaying, instead of saving the output on a screen, if you want to save the output to a file, so instead of okay, okay, displaying the output on a screen, if you want to save it to a file, then okay, we have to go with okay, this is standard syntax. With is a keyword, with help of I'm going to provide at high level. So with is a keyword, with help of with keyword we can able to okay, perform operations on file, operations on a file, either read a file, write the data, append the data, those kind of operations. So this is the, so okay, with open output.txt, w means write mode, r means read mode, okay, x means okay, execute mode, rwx read write execute mode as f. So then print hello file. So where you are going to print, we are going to print this, and so we are going to okay, print this is an okay, file. And one more thing is, you need to remember okay, two things very carefully in Python. Python is a case sensitive. Python is a case sensitive, and Python also follows the indentation. Remember about the keyword called indentations. Okay, indentation. So the indentation means a proper structure. So since Python is having okay, since okay, Python is a kind of plain text, right? It follow the indentation. What is the meaning of indentation? So which means that okay, this statement is not going to okay, end, this statement is going to complete an okay, here, continue an okay, here. So okay, okay, colon means still there is a okay, still okay, there is a continuation on that, so still there is a continuation on that. So that continuation, so instead of okay, coming it on okay, beginning of the line, so okay, there will be a three dots, after okay, three dots okay, okay, the output is okay, copied, which means that so these two okay, are a one, these two are okay, okay, are one. So whenever you create a Python programs, majority of the people fails to follow the indentation while creating Python program, while creating the okay, Python program, because indentation is okay, very crucial on okay, Python, very crucial on So Python. So by default, automatically okay, we'll get it. So but you need to okay follow that. Now similarly, there are lot many examples. For example, okay, if you want to, so even okay, if you want to okay display. So for example, okay, even so okay, we are having a keywords. Now this guy. So let's follow this guy marks. So okay, in this case, if you go with okay this keyword, okay, print of this guy hello. Okay, that okay, as you know that okay, print hello. Okay, your marks are so if you want to follow that okay two formats dot 2f. So either we can go with this is the old style of syntax. So dot format. So hello Ram, your marks are 95.67, which means that after okay floating values we are going to keep only two. That's why we are okay the remaining okay eight okay remaining okay I mean 789 okay is rounded to the 8 okay 8, so okay it will be 95 dot okay 68, 95 dot okay 68 by default it will be okay rounded. So now this is also the okay same thing, coordinate whatever it is all of them are okay same. So coordinate okay either of the way we can able to go with that, we can able to define or we can able to directly so use that. So even okay, if you want to okay format the length and all, so format the length and all, even that also we can able to okay do that. For example, okay left 10 digits, right sentence and center also we can able to so display. So for example, if you go with okay this one print okay 1 2 3, this is the left side okay 10 digits, and okay this is that okay it's right, this is the okay center. So this kind of output, so you will okay get it. So okay, even if you want to print up the decimal format, some other format also, we can able to okay go ahead and okay use this is number right. So okay printf okay decimal formats and all. So okay decimal, and okay if you want to display it as okay okay so hexadecimal format. So you want to convert into this, I will tell you later. So this is the okay okay automatically we are going to keep it as hex. Hex means okay hexadecimal. This is the decimal number. This is the hexadecimal number. So if you want to display it as a octal number, so okay okay octal number. This is the octal number. So this is the binary number. What do you mean by this binary number, decimal number, okay, hexadecimal number? So if any number, so if any number, so divisible with okay, I mean if you're having a number, so for example, if you're having a number, so okay, if you're having a number, if that number if you're going to divide with 10, that we can call it as a decimal format number. If you are going to divide the number with 2, that is the binary format. If you are going to divide the number with 8, that is the octal number. If you are going to divide the number with okay, 16, that is the hexadecimal number. So let's take it as okay, same thing, window or calci. So okay, for example, okay, what is our number? Okay, 255. 255 okay divided by, so for example okay 10. So okay obviously 25.5, so you are getting this number. Whereas so okay okay how it will be like, so for example okay how it should be like is, so okay okay then let me okay write it. So okay here 255 right, for example if you go with okay 255, so if you are going to divide with okay 10, so this is a decimal format right. So once we divide with okay 10, so 255 divided by okay 10, what is the output? Okay 5. What is the output? Okay 5 right, okay 5. And again so is equals to, so okay again okay is equal okay again is okay again, so okay I mean okay okay here, so 255 divided by, so okay 10, we are going to get as 25.5. Now 25.5, so 25.5 divided by okay 10, we are going to getting as okay 52. So okay 52. Then okay 2 okay then again okay I mean the remaining okay we are going to get it right. So you know it right, for example as part of okay here, so for example okay MS Paint, how do we convert a number? Okay, for example if we are having okay this okay 255, so okay 255 okay then with okay 10 whatever the output, again okay output, so that is called the okay decimal. Whereas if you go with okay octal, so if you are going to okay I mean a number can be, so we can able to divide with okay 10, we can able to divide with okay 2 and okay 8 and okay 16. So this is the binary format, this is a decimal format, octa format, hexadecimal format. So if you want to get all those values straightforward by using decimal, hex, octal, binary, so automatically we'll able to get those okay values, get that okay values. Number. So for example, okay here okay with decimal. So if you want to okay print that okay value, so decimal, then number, okay this one D. D means decimal format, X means okay here hexadecimal format, O means octal format, B means binary format. B means so binary format. For example, simply we can also use okay print. So okay print okay print okay print okay printf. So okay printf flower brackets okay number colon okay B. So number colon okay B. So this will be a so okay this will be a binary format. Okay, we have to keep it as a double quotations. So that will be a binary format, octal format, hexadecimal or okay decimal format, hexadecimal or so decimal okay format. So if you are going with okay format for format pointer, then only will get the okay output.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, Vijay.
Yeah, tell me.
In printed, there you have first kept the parentheses and then flower braces. But at ending, I think it's double parentheses. I think fourth
Where?
line, last from last
This
to
one?
fourth. Yeah, yeah, that yes.
Yeah, that's fine. I know that there is some syntactical errors. That's fine. So if you want to get a proper output, so you should be always in okay. I mean, for example, the same syntax. I mean, since we have used that one.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, even
No,
okay. I mean,
uh,
so we need
yeah,
to be okay. Have 1 minute. Okay, I will correct it.
yes,
So okay, here flower brackets. Then okay, this way.
fine.
So okay,
Oh,
perhaps you forgot a comma, something. So okay, if you are
okay.
going with okay format option, okay, if you go with okay F, so there are even Python older version we used to use a dot format keyword if you want to format the output while displaying the output. Whereas in latest version directly F. So this F okay after print in the after print bracket F you are going to keep anything. It is a okay it is a formatted okay it is a formatted. We have to use these flower brackets and double quotations or single quotations to access the value of variable, all those okay details.
Thank you.
I'm going to stop.